Hello guys, welcome to Risha's Only Veg Kitchen. Today I am going to show how to make herbal tea at home because today this coronavirus is going on, so it's very useful to fight with sore throat. If you have cold and cough, then at that time is also very important to drink this kind of tea. So here is the ingredients. I'm boiling this water like 5 minutes. It's 3 cups of water. Here is half lime. This is 12 to 14 leaves of mint, fresh mint, half ginger, black pepper. Here is the salt, pink salt, and here is Pakka Tulsi Clarity tea. Because we don't have that herbal leaves at home, so as an alternative we can use this tea.
So Tulsi is normally called holy mint leaves, I think, as well. But it's got a lot of healing properties as well, doesn't it?
Yes.
So the combination of ginger and mint and the pink salt, pepper, it's really good for your throat with the lemon as well.
Yes.
So you're going to teach us a secret herbal recipe that has been known in India for years.
Yes.
Okay, we are looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Please continue.
So our water is boiling, is now like boiling for 5 minutes. So now it's ready to put the leaves in.
So the first thing we are going to do is put the mint leaves in.
Mint leaves, yeah.
And you're chopping them?
Yeah, I'm directly chopping into the water.
Mm-hmm.
So the color is come out.
Mm-hmm. So you're squeezing the juice out of the mint leaves?
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
After this, I'm going to add that Tulsi tea.
The Tulsi tea, okay. So Pakka has a lot of herbal teas, don't they? I mean, they have some lovely teas. So we are using the Tulsi Clarity tea from them, which has, I think it has, let me just look at the ingredients. This has Tulsi leaf blend, so it's got 3 types of Tulsi leaves in there. That's excellent, okay.
Yes. Now I'm going to squeeze that half lime in the water.
Excellent.
Then add half teaspoon of salt.
Half teaspoon of salt, okay.
Half teaspoon of pink salt.
Mm-hmm.
Half teaspoon of black pepper.
So this is as per taste, right? Black pepper, people can add more or less depending on how spicy they like the tea.
Yes.
Okay.
And at the last, I'm going to grate this ginger.
Okay, so you're grating the ginger and then putting it in.
Yes.
Okay.
So that real taste come out of ginger. I'm going to add this ginger to the tea.
Oh, lovely, okay. That's a lot of ginger, Disha, but it needs to be really strong to have any effect on your throat, isn't it?
Yes. So keep boiling this tea until it makes 2 cups. First we start with 3 cups, and until it half or less than 1 cup is 1 less, then it's ready to drink.
Okay, so if you're making,
keep boiling it.
If you're making 4 cups of water, then keep boiling it until it's 3 cups. Okay, so we've started with 3 cups, so we need to keep boiling it until 2 cups.
Yeah.
Why do you boil a lot? Is that to get all the benefits in the tea itself?
Yeah, and all the ingredients needs to be
Really cooked well, mixed
Yeah.
well. Okay, excellent. Okay, so we will keep boiling that. And then at the end we will enjoy the tea. So normally it's recommended to have half a cup and have it in the morning ideally. And especially when you have a bad sore throat, really give this a try. You will notice the difference within a couple of days. And if you do try it, please let us know whether it's worked well for you. And share us your videos or pictures. Anything you'd like to say to your viewers, Disha?
Thank you guys for joining us today. Thank you.
Okay, bye.